unbelievable. It's unbelievable that so many people in the world think that Iran is only desert. People are still transferring with camels, no technology, no internet, and I don't know why the people think like that. Maybe it's because of the negative media against Iran. But in this channel and in this video, Sajjad and Farin channel, I show you the real Iran. I show you how the life is going in Iran. Stay with us and we show you Iran. Okay, Iran is located between the modern lifestyle and traditional way. We have the both in Iran. So if you go to village, you can still have the rural lifestyle in village. People are still working with hands and farming, and you can see lots of technology there. But when you come to big cities like Tehran, Mashhad, Tabriz, Isfahan, there is a completely different way of life. You can see very, very modern and fashion buildings, towers, big shopping malls. I can say that the biggest shopping mall in the Middle East is located in Tehran, Iran Mall. So we have Wi-Fi in hotels, at home, and you have 5G internet, not everywhere, but you have 4G everywhere, but in some places you have 5G internet with high speed, and good flights, railway, and very good bus transportation system, and people are so up to date, and if you're still in doubt about these things, watch so many videos about Iran, search about it, and the best way is come to Iran and watch by yourself what I'm telling to you. Okay, the truth about Iran is different from media. The media shows the traditional way of Iran, which is not going now in cities like Tehran, but because of that, when so many tourists, when they come to Iran, they're surprised of how modern and civilized Tehran is, and like as other cities, especially the north of the wealthy area of Tehran. Okay, besides the technology, I can see so many people ask that how conservative Iran is. Can you shake hands with ladies? Can you hand your partner hand when you are walking in the streets? It's absolutely okay. When you walk in the streets, you can see lots of girls and boys. They're laughing, having hugs, and shaking hands. It's absolutely okay now. Some traditional families are still avoid to do that, but it's okay, completely okay. And Iran is so safe. I can say one of the safest countries in the world. You can walk all around the day, alone, at night, middle of night. It's completely fine. And if you buy SIM card when you arrive in Iran, you can use you can have internet everywhere you go, and which we absolutely recommend to do that. And also, I saw some comments that people think that in Iran, ladies are wearing some masks, religious mask, like some countries, but it's not happened in Iran. It's absolutely okay. Hijab is a choice. Of course, wearing a scarf is a must in Iran, but just that. You don't have to wear mask or something like that, or chador. It's absolutely not mandatory. Okay, if you have more questions, we are here to answer to them. Leave a comment for us, follow us, and I recommend to see the bloggers and the travelers who travel to Iran. They share their experiences so much better than us. So thank you for watching us.